Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what makes the agreement valid: ID, proof of ownership, and a clear draft of rent terms. Once you have those, write the essential clauses first: parties, address, term, rent amount, and payment dates, so the document has structure. Make sure to include early items like security deposit and permitted uses. This prevents fixes later. While you prepare, note any special local requirements so you can add them before notarization. This saves time at the notary table. Once the skeleton is ready, you fill in the complex middle: obligations, liabilities, and processes. Describe who pays utilities, who handles repairs, and how notices must be served because ambiguity causes disputes. Include defaults, cure periods, and remedy steps to enforce the lease. Add clauses on insurance, taxes, and subletting so both parties understand limits. After drafting, review for local legal phrases and consistency. This reduces rejection during notarization and speeds final signing. You finish by proofreading every page, confirming signature blocks and witness requirements, and assembling originals. Then schedule a notary appointment and bring originals plus copies and valid photo ID. The notary will verify identity and administer oaths if required. After notarization, distribute signed originals and store a certified copy in a safe place. If something goes wrong, like a notarization refused, call the notary to learn the defect. Often it's a simple ID or formatting fix and can be corrected same day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.